Welcome to the online course for geography at Red Cedar. This is Mrs. Weaver and I'm going to be showing you how to use our website. You can see this is our home page, and on this page you will find our learning goals for geography. You'll also see what you need as far as technology goes. For this class you'll just need a computer and internet access, and if you don't have internet access at home you can use the computer lab at school before and after school. And we also have our communication policy, so I'd like you to read through that, and your expectations for online behavior. This is a big one for me this year, especially the second one here. Last year I had many students use their blogs and online writing very informally, and this year I would really like you to be using your writing online just like you would in the classroom. So make sure that you check these out, and let's start. Off to the left, these are your this is your navigation menu. So if you click on calendar, up will pop a Google Calendar. On this calendar will be the due dates for the course. They're not filled in yet, but they will be. If you click on assignment Dropbox, you'll be using this every time you finish an assignment. You'll click on the Dropbox, and if you move your mouse down here, anything with an asterisk next to it is something that you have to fill out. So it says choose your teacher from the list. You'll choose either Mr. Dye or Mrs. Weaver. You'll type in your last name, first name, your project assignment name, which will be just the lesson number that you're doing, and URL is the website address where I can find your project. That'll either be a Google Doc or a blog, or anywhere where I can find it, it'll be a link to that. And then you'll push submit, and it'll come right to me, and I'll know to grade it. You'll also be using an assignment tracker. You'll see this in your Google Docs, and we will go over this in class, in technology class, but your name will be underneath one of these headings here, and these are our 5 groups, and they are also the 5 themes of geography. So you'll be put in a group. These are the people that you will want to be asking questions, or if we have a group project, this will be your group. So make sure that you are making use of these people. When you're finished with an assignment, you're going to come in here and you'll place done here, and then once I've graded, I'll put an X here in the orange next to it. We'll go over this more in class also. There is a how-to page, and you'll be using a lot of technology tools that you may have never used before, so there are some videos here of how to use those tools. And so you will be using things you've never used before, and that's okay. If you have any questions or answers to if you have any questions, you can come here to the questions and answers, and you can either place a topic in here by doing new topic and asking your question, or if you have an answer to someone else's question, then you would just click on their post and press reply. You'll type in your name, just your first name. We don't ever use our last names online, and then your answer there. And down here you'll need to type in the code so that they can make sure that you are a real person, and you'll put post message. We are a learning community, so it's expected that you'll be needing some help, but you'll also be helping your friends. So make sure that you're checking this page quite often, the questions and answers page. I'm going to go back up here to the lessons tab. This is where you'll be doing all of your work. So we have 7 lessons for geography. The first one you'll just click on, lesson 1. All the lessons are set up the same way, so the title's at the top. We have our learning objectives, and in the orange you'll find all of the vocabulary words that you'll be learning during the lesson. There's an introduction, and then there's a lesson. Sometimes there'll be a video to go along with that. and then your assignment down at the bottom. Now with your assignment, make sure you see these, if you see any of these links, that you're clicking on the links too, because they're in there for a reason. They're there to help you with your assignment or to take you to another web page so that you can get more information. Like I said before, when you're finished with your assignment, you'll be posting it. You'll be making sure you go back to the Dropbox and let me know you're done, and then also to the assignment tracker so that you can make sure that you are on track for the course. If you have any questions at all, you can click on the Contact Teacher. There is our website, our school website, our classroom website, and also my email address. And if you send me an email, I will get back to you within 48 hours. But the best thing for you to do is to make sure that you use the friends and your friends in this class, especially your group members, to help you answer questions. That's what they're there for. So if you have a question, they can help you. If they have a question, you can help them. Also, make sure that you let me know if you are sick or on vacation, or if you don't have internet access, so that we can make sure that we work around that. I'm looking forward to working with you in this class.